Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got my May Allure Beauty Box. Wasn't sure I was going to get this because it's been floating around. It was maybe at my post office and then went away and came back, according to the tracking. I don't know. My post office is small and they're really pretty good, so I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. It's here. It's here. I'm surprised it's here. I'm happy it's here. This is May. And the Allure Beauty Box is our items that the editors from the Allure Beauty magazine talk to us about and that they really like and that they've tried and say that they really like. It is sealed, so I did cut it. So let's see what's in here. I know what's in here. I've looked at the spoilers. Hard to open it this time. Okay. This is what it looks like inside. You usually get a little brochure. And then there's a little bit of tissue, but it's not really wrapped up today. That's okay. So if there's going to be variations, you sometimes can see it on this little brochure somewhere in a corner. I don't see that this time. From the spoilers, I don't think there are variations. We did get to choose a color of a product. We're getting an eyebrow. I'll start with that. An eyebrow item. Brow pomade from Refi, and we got to choose this. It was light, medium, dark, and I don't know why I always choose the light, because that's what I would use, but I don't use this, so I should have chose medium because it'll go in a giveaway probably. So anyway, I wanted to tell you about Allure a little bit. Allure has gone up to $25 a month now. It was $23. It's not gone up that much. It's still free shipping. If you buy 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, you get a discount. Maybe just the 6 and 12 months, but you get a good discount if you're able to buy the year. And that's what I do. I buy it by the year. And it's just nice. It's mostly skincare items. And then you'll have maybe 1 or 2 pieces of makeup. They do say that you will get 3 full-size items and 3 deluxe samples. And sometimes we get a little bonus depending on what's on the back of the brochure, the sponsor. And this is about the limited edition Reader's Choice Award Winners Box, which they have these things on sale on their website. If you're a member, you can buy these. I don't think you can buy if you're not a member. I do have a link below if you'd like to join. And this one says Happy Mother's Day. So let's check it out. Let's see what this eyebrow thing is about. Refi Brow Pomade. Of course, this is a full size. So this is valued at $20. I did get the light, and the top is sealed. So let's try the bottom. Yep. Okay. Shape your brows in a few quick swipes. Perfect for rushed mornings and 5-minute routines. It shows that the bottom opens. Why would you open the bottom? Oh, that's where the pomade is, I guess, right? I guess. All right, so this is just the brush. Okay, yes, okay. I'm not a brow person, but this is adorable. This is the brush, and then the pomade is in the bottom. So that is really very crafty and handy. So that's how it goes back together. And that's what it looks like. Valued at $20. Why you'll love it. In this box, the Refi Brow Pomade is one of 3 shades. So yes, I picked one. On one side, it's a jewel-ended wand. You'll find a potted pomade for filling in brows. On the other, well, it goes on and on, you know, about stuff. I'm not gonna read that whole thing. So let's see what else I got. So that's one full-size item. Then next I see this is Eva NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo, and you know I love dry shampoos, so this is really cool with me. Let's see what it says about that. That is a deluxe sample, as you can see. It says 1 ounce is $6. And this is 0.75 ounces, so this is almost full size, y'all. So $6 for a 1 ounce. It's got to be rather small. Eva NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo. Why you'll love it. This spray checks every dry shampoo box you want. It adds volume without feeling like anything is in your hair, and it doesn't leave behind a visible residue, which is what most people want, which has made it a favorite with blonde and brunette editors alike. It's easy way to refresh your style on day 2 or 3, so you can EKE, what does that mean? So you can eke out a little more time from your shampoo. Shake the can and spray it onto your roots from about a foot away, and enjoy the time you just saved by not shampooing. Okay, I will try it. I sure will. You know, I have a bunch of little samples to try right now, so I need to do that. This says revives, refreshes, and absorbs oil. Okay, I haven't heard of the Eva New York City brand, NYC brand. Have y'all? I've not heard of it. And in the Allure brochure, usually they have codes. If you go on the websites, you can get these things at a discount with their code. So that's very nice. And next we have some Mighty Patches. This is, I think this is full size, y'all, because there's 6 in here, right? The Hero Cosmetics Mighty Points Patch, the original. So this is, let's see, visibly shows it's working. Protects for faster healing, drug-free and non-drying. Your Blemish Hero. So I think these are colored. That's what they look like, that they, you know, they have a little color to them. Some of them are clear, you know, so you put it on a blemish. Now, the ones that I've used overnight, but I guess you can wear this during the day. It says, identify the blemish and works best on whiteheads. Cleanse the blemish and apply the Mighty Patch. Remove after 6 to 8 hours. So every now and again, I get a pimple down here, rarely. So I don't know if I'll keep this or not. I think this is a full size. You know, unless it comes in a box of more than one package. Let's see what it just says $12.99. I can't imagine this would be $12.99. So it doesn't say what this is exactly. So anyway, if you buy it, you let me know if this is a full size or not. I know we get these in a lot of boxes, and you know, there's different types out there. And so I don't know if this is full size, but it may be. All right, next we have something here. Let's see what it is. Let me show it to you and then I'll look it up. Oh, this is that one. I don't know why do we have to use filthy language, but we do. Okay, this is the Uoma brand. Is that what it is? Uoma Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner in Ross. Why do we have to call it that? She's a bad mother. Dash shut your mouth. So I don't know anybody that likes to talk like that. Their Uoma brand. They're a pretty good brand. You know, they have all kinds of makeup. But this is nice to get. See, now we've got brow and brow pomade, and then we have a lip liner. This is very pretty. I like that color. Yeah, which is on there. It's a pencil that you sharpen. I have several lip liners that I hardly use, so I'm not going to swatch this, y'all. But it is really pretty. It's like a brick red. I think it's pretty. So that'll probably go into a future giveaway. Just because I have several open and I hardly use them, so I'd rather, you know, pass it on. And then this, I'm interested in this. This is Kiban brand. I don't know how to say it, but Kiban, I don't know. It is a beauty revitalizing face mask. This is valued at $13 for one. This is a full size. Wear the mask for 15 to 20 minutes. You know, we know all about that from Mask Mondays. And then massage the serum for a just come from the spa glow. Pop on the sheet mask. It's infused with tons of hydrating, soothing ingredients to give your complexion a quick pick-me-up, including sweet almond extract, blue agave extract, and sodium hyaluronate. That last one both plumps and moisturizes to help minimize the look of fine lines while adding dewiness. So this one sounds like it would be good to use in the morning or before a big event in your life. You know, you always clean your face first and all that. So I'm interested in that. Very nice. All right. And then the big powerhouse item, that was $3, that's $3, $6, All right, so yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got more than 3 full-size products. There is also in here this card about the GQ box. They do on their sales. They have several men's boxes, which are very nice. This one says, give the perfect gift to dads and grads. Help get the last GQ approved essentials every single season. He'll get the last GQ approved essentials every single season. So that sounds like this is maybe a quarterly box. But they also have some, just one-off boxes that you can get on their website, which is nice for Father's Day. Or like they said, for going off to college or something. So that's very nice. So this is Sunday Riley. Look how nicely that's wrapped, y'all. In like a little wax paper. Oops, and of course I had to rip it. This is full size. This is the Sunday Riley B3 Nice. So there's a little 3, Be Nice. This is 10% niacinamide serum. So water-based, 10% niacinamide serum, supercharged with trans resveratrol, reduces the look of pore size, surface redness, and blotchy tone for balanced, clearer looking radiance. It's 1 ounce. Let's see what it looks like. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful purple bottle. It's glass, and then it has like a shrink wrap of plastic on it. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, I love Sunday Riley products. I haven't had very many. I've had more deluxe samples than I've had full size. Anybody can use niacinamide, but niacinamide is, like it said that it's for pore size. It's to help reduce pore size if you have big pores, and it reduces the look of pore size, and surface redness if you have some, and blotchy tone for balance. So anybody can use it. It's water-based, which I have 60-year-old skin, so water isn't what I want to put on my face necessarily. A little bit isn't so bad, I suppose. I wouldn't use this every night. Let me put it that way. This is probably something that I wouldn't necessarily use, but it's Sunday Riley, so I want to use it. An advanced 10%, oh, it's going to say the same kind of stuff. It says the same thing. All right, niacinamide is beneficial to oily and dry skin, it says, as it helps to diminish the appearance of stretched pores, regulates the look of visibly shiny, oily skin, while also supporting the skin's natural moisture barrier, which helps to prevent water loss and dryness. So it is good for that as well. Niacinamide also improves and evens out the signs of blotchy skin tone caused by post-blemish marks and general surface redness. So it's really not for me, but it's not going to hurt me to use it. I love that it's in here. This costs a fortune. Let me tell you how much, because I don't know off the top of my head. $65. Okay. So it says the closest you can get to an eraser for skin's dark spots, and it gives you a diamond level glow. So I do have some dark spots that I don't like, so maybe it will help me. It's Sunday Riley, y'all. So anyway, so this is a fantastic box. It has a lot going on. All right, I'll take pictures and put them on Instagram like I usually do if I don't forget. We have the Sunday Riley full size. We have the Revitalizing Mask, that's a full size. We have the Refi Brow Pomade, full size. And we have the lip liner, which is full size. And then maybe the Mighty Patch is not a full size. I'm thinking at some point in my life, I saw that these might come maybe 4 sheets in a box, maybe 4 or 5 sheets, maybe, because I'm thinking 30 in my head, a cardboard box with 30. So these would be our deluxe samples. I'm pretty sure this is full size. Let's see if it says the pomade. Yeah, because it gives you the full size price, which is $20. So it doesn't necessarily always tell you. I think this is full size, y'all. But anyway, so in this case, we got 4 full size and 2 deluxe samples. I'm saying these, you know, this I know is a deluxe sample, and then this I'm saying is one, okay? They may consider this a deluxe sample because a lot of times sheet masks come in a box, but they said that this is valued at $13 for one mask. So that to me is a full-size item. So great box, great box. I really like Allure. I have had issues in the past where I didn't like them, and I think that they've really stepped up in the last year or so. So I am liking them, and I get a great deal because I buy it by the year. And if you're able to do that, you will save a little money. Like I said, the shipping is free. It's $25 a month if you buy it by the month. So that is my Allure box, and thank you so much for stopping by to see it, and count your blessings, y'all. Good to see you. Bye-bye.